Hi, this is Mark Wilson. I'm from Glensound and we're here showing you our new Divine speaker. This is a Dante AES67 Power over Ethernet monitor speaker. It's single cable. This cable is carrying the power for the speaker on PoE and it is taking 4 audio channels. Your user is able to select the audio channels from the front here. We have the 4 inputs, but a really neat feature of our speaker is that you can set priorities on the inputs across the network. So here we're listening to channel 1. We have a priority set. If you're using this for a background music, or say it's in a theatre, in a dressing room, and your stage manager needs to make a call. Everyone to stage please, everyone to stage. And you get the interrupt on the speaker. And if I put the phone down properly, when that's gone, it will revert back to source audio. There are 15 user configurable settings on the speaker. You can lock the front buttons, limit the inputs. You have EQ settings. It's a very, very functional speaker. VESA mount on the back for mounting, or microphone threads underneath for mounting. All in a very low-cost package. It's only €335 for a Divine from Glensound, PoE, Dante and AES67 speaker. If you'd like more information, please go and visit our website. We're at glensound.com.